We will forever be indebted to him. Why are dear papa? Maybe an American say NPP, dear, you say, me.
Ebusian for me ma munyina akwaba eba Ghana Asem TV GH. Mesremo like a comment, subscribe, turn your notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded you be notified. Ebusian for
Nana Addo na some Marcus aka concerning COVID. Na some so kind there with all those who political ambitions depends on my ill health. When you nara no obo Nana Addo ewuto. Today, where are you people? Mahama, ejina wada Nana Addo ye short man owu ben. Nana Addo na huozina owo. Look at the stamina of the man. How the body is built. Now where say ye cratchy. Compare yourself to Nana Addo. Sisi awana Ghana na including politicians, journalists, whoever moframba obi biara na obo Nana Addo nizin bon. Ocha akoshitu nodo. Oka no ho nsem bon. Onyankopon ontua wonka wo, ontua wonka. Onji one fina wake nyina onfa nka Nana Addo ne de ho. Nana Addo, I know that you don't want to live to be 200, but we wish that for you because of the good you've done for Ghana. You brought back civilization to the country called Ghana. Just under a year and a half, Mahama Bay wasan the Eco Stone Age, Nana. Mahama the Eco 14th and 18th century. Ehona Mahama achi Ghana akodru. Wo bre bebrebe na wo bre ye na wumpese. Wo de be sha ne nsamo wase no na you said it on one of your platforms. Say you vote ma Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. Na anya sa nhihye papa wo de egu akwan mu no. Osai for we beba be say no. Ampeni ampa na wa be say no. Enso onyankopon ahye wodin. Ama wa hoodin ahye weni onyam sronko ama wotinkwam na wo witness ne ekoso. Wonsam a wo katu ho nyina revelation no. Ene rade ama coming after one after the other. Ena wo hu ye vindicate you. No bien who say ampa we or basumafo a wo be ya de papa ma o mangana nemo and this if wa brofo no and this if wa beifo and this if wa karibenchim fo no omon na mo be say wudin na no we try we chikakre and this if was we achievement nyina ase edun kete agina baby say ene ma na omu bibi omu de omu nsa so mu sisi ebi na omu start 8 years ago. Now you didn't finish, so they are here now to finish them. Nana onyankopon shira wo sronko mu sronko Nana Addo onyankopon ma wo mfie bebre nka wo mfie ho onkoso ma wa hoɔden kɛse onkoso ma wo ho ban sɛne presbyterian fo ɛhyɛ weni onyam wa asɔre dɛm no saara nso no onyankopɔn so siesie ahenwa kɛse bi ɛde abrɛ wo asase so na mo bi biara na ɔbɔ wudin bɔne no ana mo hwehwɛ wenim guase no atoɔ mo ankasa sisi amo yes nyina bow down your heads in shame. Asofo, journalist for, wine for, Christian Council, obi o sabotage Nana Addo amemu obi a nenim guase enkamo. Kama should catch up with you people. Obi a wuna kan say Nana Addo yari prostate or yari we amra wo so. Obi bia na wishing Nana Addo ill health. Ye bomb payesro nyankopon say on fam bramo in 1,000 folds. Nana Addo ntnas no hu say ye de mo atoto efunda ke mu to lead kindly light e de mo akwasie ye mo ye nipa bonifo papa we papa obeye ma o man Ghana ebi nsi wo Ghana memu da over the 70 years Ghana edi MPP edi mu 16 po enso ye nhwe within the 16 years na niam papa Akufo obeye bebre na ye papa Nana Addo de etwem sronko Echem Sana doctor nso beba no nso de ne dia betoa so. Enti nana onyankopon hira ye maame Rebecca nso onyame nhyira. Yes, behind every great man is a great lady. Senya wu na wo hwe ye papa Nana Addo. So no no good advice. Anuane papa mo di ye no kwa abonten kwa adwuma na nkrofo kodi na temma na bemu bu obefie na otu no fo pa. Enka ye papa enya ahoɔden anya ne oye nyina. Enti ye maame Rebecca onyame nhyira wo papa. Nana Addo nyina Awurade nhyira mo. Samo ma mo papa sumudwie memfie nwɔtwe etwe mo mode ne beche Ghana man na Nana Addo otumi besisa Ghana man ene John Laya oni ni nua omaba omosisa bibia boso ese oman ne maye nana yesro nyankopon emumpuntuo ni mu onyam ni mu anije ni mu serious na ede bia wo se egwa awia no koso saa no nyankopon be hyira enani da eni ewie ye nana yeda ase waye bia maga
along the line no na ojai me hwe nti ya ma ho kire kakra ba me supa na me senior be introduce scholarship bi eche me satam na district scholarship no introduce chere me na me ko apply bi nti first start no mo my 1008 na eja medituate me fees na satam no alawa na eba no me de to me handouts any ade they share me ho bia na ewie school graduation ewie service me market ya akura si anke nyina bai na ja di ewie ya so na Anado ene ba wo mi ada Roma eja mo fa me adwuma e posti me amen grade medana sepa NPP aban ene na Addo aban amen hira mo pa mit na se na me bu ma chetene bu nkonta na mse ti mi ampa me ni amen grade ni ma wie school am yam posti me ama ma anje salary na minim se ade shrekrampo se ni wukura sa you forever be indebted to him why ade papa me de na make no se NPP je je se bia me se me change me party de menya wo mu me college menya se we
You have actually impugned corruption. And I gave you an example, which he sought to she sought to clarify because now she's a mathematician and a precision master. But when she was trying to compare my analysis to what Asenso Boache supposedly did, she made a grave error.
You mean the contract in Bantam?
Yes. Because you see, Ghana, we have different types of roads. We have inner city roads.
That's an urban road.
Yes, we have city roads. We have, feeder roads. We have highways, and we have trunk roads. My analysis was based on feeder roads. You don't compare urban roads to feeder roads. So that is the first error you made. You don't compare urban roads to feeder roads because by its name alone and its position or location alone, even the quality of build is different.
So that's what I was averting your mind to.
No.
That
Pay attention to the point.
That each road and the specific bill of quantity and the scope.
Pay attention to the point I made. My initial submission was emphasized on feeder roads. I was not talking about all roads.
So how much was urban roads?
Please.
So feeder roads, they have culverts, they have bridges,
I understand
and all those
all
things
of that.
Yeah.
I understand all of that. And that is why I referenced you. That you cannot tell me that during our times we didn't do culverts. We didn't have topography issues or geological issues.
Very well.
Nobody can sit here and tell me that only during Mohammed's time that the scope of work mattered. The scope of work has always mattered at every material time. And all the roads we did, the feeder roads we did, came with scope. Some even included building extra facilities outside.
Some even include ancillary works. So I am conversant with roads, the scope and the nature of the roads. I used feeder roads. So you don't compare urban, because let me give you a typical example. Feeder roads, they're built by nature, by its nature and location alone. The quality is different from urban roads. Urban roads will be asphalt surfacing. Feeder roads will be bitumen surfacing. Something like, because
our new road experts. So what is wrong with these current roads?
Please.
That you must
I have not said anything.
You must answer.
Please pay attention. I've not said there is anything wrong with the road.
Thank you.
I am telling you that we are not talking about the quality of the road.
Well, feeder roads until recently, they didn't put in the asphalting. It's only recently they started doing the overlays.
So the point that I'm making to you is that we have feeder roads, and by name of feeder roads, there is a description of the type of work that goes in. So don't compare city roads to feeder roads. That's the point I'm making to you. It's a wrong comparison.
But Cocoa roads mostly are feeder roads.
But I'm saying she cited Bantama. She cited Bantama. Bantama is different. And I'm saying that don't do that comparison.
Do you have the scope of the current road that you say that there is something wrong? Because if you are a road expert, I want to learn. I'm not a road expert. The last time I checked, I'm a lawyer by profession. He is a road expert.
I'm not a road expert.
Oh, yeah. I'm not a road expert.
You sat here and discussed all issues. Are you expert on all of those issues? Are you a procurement expert? When you were saying, you bitches, when you were saying NPP was running a procurement economy, were you a procurement expert?
That's what you were doing.
Were you a procurement expert? Look, you said that in your first year, you are going to amend the Procurement Act to do away with sole sourcing, end it, cut it. That is what Ablakwa said. Please, I have the video.
In the first
I have the video.
Limit.
I've never, no, please.
Oh, please, allow Kofi Tonto to make his point. Sorry, I can wrap up. Please wrap up for me.
I quoted several people. You keep distorting me. I said President Mahama said rare exception. And then I said Ablakwa said cut it. So don't confuse or don't lump all of them together as one thing. I quoted several people. And I said Sami Jenfi, your boss, said we are stealing money. And Oferupenyin fear people are stealing money. I was categorical. Don't lump it. So the point is, you promised. Ablakwa said in your money.
Before then, Muamunim say, me just send me money about your studio. But say you movie free. We me single room muna meet you. Me single room. Mpano ani, and I made a corner with me every year we juma go for nam. And sometimes also go for more around almost over MPP ni. And it's not really too good. Can say my landlord say to me sorry na or catch me say or NDC ni rent not with me too much anyhow. Because me MPP ni India. Na media hands we ejuma ni India. Enti na yesi. And Akufo Addo so person be joining kana sem no. Na yemboa MPP. Right? But yeah, omutimi ba me dem de bia sa. Right? Bana sa mini privacy bia.